Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you are a fan of sparkling water, but you want to add a little twist, you're going to love this Spindrift. So this is the raspberry lime flavor and it is super delicious. So this is a simple blend of carbonated water, lime juice, and raspberry puree. It is super refreshing and the perfect drink on a hot day, and it tastes absolutely wonderful. So I love that it has real lime juice, real raspberries. There is no sugar, there's nothing artificial, and you can really taste that. It has a beautiful crisp flavor and it is the perfect bubbly drink. It even has that gorgeous pink color and the perfect amount of bubbles. So if you are like me and a total seltzer addict, this is great because it's super convenient and you don't have to add your squeeze of lime to it. It's already in here. So I definitely cannot get enough of this and I love it. And that's my point of view.